Hello, welcome to AEW, Adult Education Wolverhampton. So here we teach what? Deaf awareness and BSL, up to level 1, up to level 3. So you want to learn BSL, you can start at a basic level, or maybe you've already learnt a bit of sign, or maybe you've already got qualifications. We've got different levels. So the course, you can come here to a class once a week, plus at home you'll have extra online learning. So the tutor will go through the process and assess you. There's opportunities for exams at the end of the course. So when the course finishes and you've got your exam, so your qualification would be from where? The awarding body called signature, it's recognised. So if you want to carry on BSL, we can go up to level 3 and you can do that here. Next, you can find other places to study, university if you want to. So if it's difficult for you to come here, we can offer an introduction online for deaf awareness and basic sign language. So when the course is finished, it looks great on your CV. The qualification, you could have level 1 or further up, and then you could maybe progress to career. You could be language support, you could work with special needs, care, or maybe BSL interpreter in the future. So when you learn your BSL helps your confidence, it will help you communicate with deaf people, and it will learn about deafness, disability and deaf culture.